Dear fellow citizens, Namaskar. On our 72nd Republic Day, I, Ojal Khandelwal, extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Principal, Headmistress, Coordinator, teachers, parents, and everyone present here. It is my greatest pleasure to wish all the Indians a happy Republic Day. It is a privilege for the youth of India to be a citizen of a free nation. A country that has fought the COVID-19 pandemic in the most efficient manner. The Indian government has left no stone unturned to control fertility rate and minimize the number of cases daily. Hence, taking all the necessary steps to combat the invisible pandemic war. India has developed vaccine for COVID-19 in a record time and has inoculated 2.07 lakh people on day 1, the highest in the world. I salute the efforts of all the researchers, scientists, frontline workers, especially doctors, nurses, police, and all the volunteers responsible for the safety of our nation. The responsibility of taking our country to zenith lies with the youth of today. Youth is the stage of innovation and vision. We have the muscle to transform the nation into a better and healthy place. We also have the gift to lead our fellow citizens to the path of progress. Youths are warriors, so let's tighten our belts, friends. India is waiting for us to make this beautiful land flourish and luster in success. I would conclude by saying freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Let's salute the nation on its Republic Day. Jai Hind!
Good day to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Youth Parliament of 2020-21 of Pawa Public School. The Youth Parliament is a structured simulation for educating the students on the functioning of our parliamentary system. It helps the youth to realize their roles and responsibilities as citizens of India. The young generation of a country embodies the future of that country, and PPS recognizes every mind and invites them to put forth their views and exchange ideas in order to find solutions to the problems faced by the state and the nation, thus benefiting them, their future, and ours. Whether e-learning should be continued or schools should start reopening physically. First National Youth Parliament 2020-2021.
Deal.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, all. This is Neil Ganju from FD TV channel. We are all set for the Youth Parliament in the lower house. All precautions against the coronavirus are followed, including staggered seating for against the coronavirus, staggered seating for both houses, and social distancing between the MPs.
This is Suresh Patil from our own channel Up Tak. Today we will get the actual information whether the physical school will reopen or not. All ministers, the treasury and the member of parliament are arrived with the masks on and maintaining norms.
This is Arya Begri from your favorite channel Star News. Our sources have informed us that the timings of the houses have been shortened by 4 hours each. Today, the timing of the Lok Sabha will be from 12:45 p.m. to 2 p.m. only. All the parents, especially from the urban areas, are anxiously waiting for the schools to reopen physically.
I welcome you all to the first National Youth Parliament Session 2021. We will begin today's session with the oath or affirmation of the newly elected members. Secretary General, please proceed with the oath-taking ceremony.
I, Arya Chauhan, having been elected a member of the lower house of the Youth Parliament, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
The name of the bill is the physical reopening of the schools. I now call upon the Prime Minister, Mr. Hitesh Shelke, to introduce the bill.
Honorable Madam Speaker, the opening of educational institutions poses a great risk to students, parents, grandparents, teachers, and the staff. The students traveling in the public transport and shared conveyances potentially contract COVID-19 from others and infect co-passengers too. The parents care for their children more than themselves. If schools and colleges reopen, it will be difficult to manage the frantic rush of students and the parents to the testing centers and hospitals. No parent would allow their COVID sick child at home, as they would infect other family members too. The pediatric wards and hospitals will be overcrowded, putting an excessive pressure on doctors and healthcare workers, especially in rural areas. We need additional quarantine and isolation facilities as most homes are small. Are we prepared for such insurgence in COVID cases?
I now call on the leader, Ms. Shivita Agarwal of the opposition party, to place a point of argument.
Honorable Madam Speaker, traditional classroom education can be dated back to the ancient times. One-on-one or in-person teaching is effective and demonstrates increased levels of student engagement with teachers. It also encourages higher levels of competitiveness among students. Online learning can be tedious for most of the students as they tend to procrastinate due to a lack of self-discipline, and teachers also face the task of engaging students. The social environment at a traditional school is perfect to build a child's character and personality. This aspect cannot be analyzed by any other online teaching method, as students learn better in an environment where they can socialize and learn from fellow students.
Now the question hour begins.
Honorable Madam Speaker, during this pandemic situation, regular classes are not the priority now, though there is no alternative to it. At present, our focus is on holding incident-free learning. Measures for fair and effective education for our children of all classes will unfold in the future. We are seeking the opinion of parents on reopening of schools and the steps needed to be taken.
Any member who would like to speak further on this bill, please stand.
ऑनलाइन शिक्षा में अध्यापकों के सामने समस्याएं आती है। ऑनलाइन शिक्षा में छात्रों के वीडियोस बंद रहते हैं। कुछ छात्रों की नेटवर्क समस्या होती है, तो कुछ छात्र ऐसे ही वीडियो बंद करके बैठते हैं और बार बार बताने पर भी वीडियो शुरू नहीं करते। उस वक्त छात्र क्या कर रहे हैं पता नहीं चलता। कनेक्टिविटी की समस्या, रेंज की समस्या भी आती है।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदया, छात्र सामने नहीं होते, इसीलिए आमने सामने उनकी कॉपी में की गई गलतियां भी नहीं बता सकते। समय की सीमा होती है। छात्र समय पर क्लास में नहीं आते, देर से क्लास ज्वाइन करते हैं। छात्र ने कार्य कॉपी में पूरा किया है या नहीं पता नहीं चलता। वार्तालाप कम होता है।
छात्रों की मानसिक और शारीरिक दृष्टि से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हानिकारक है।
छात्र अपनी सभी तासिकाएं दृक्श्राव्य माध्यम से ही पूर्ण करते हैं। उसके लिए कई घंटे उस माध्यम के साथ बैठते हैं। उस कारण उनके शरीर की हलचल कम हो रही है। वे व्यायाम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। कम उम्र में ही उनके आंखों की दृष्टि कम होती जा रही है। आजकल वे खेल के लिए भी मोबाइल, लैपटॉप का उपयोग करते हैं। उस कारण उनको डिवाइस की आदत सी पड़ गई है। डिवाइस उनके रोजमर्रा के जीवन का एक हिस्सा बन गया है। उनकी यह मानसिकता हो गई है कि उस माध्यम के बिना उनका कोई कार्य पूर्ण ही नहीं हो सकता। वे रिश्तेदारों से दूर दूर रहने लगे हैं, अकेले बैठना पसंद करते हैं। बच्चों को इस स्थिति से बाहर निकालने के लिए स्कूल शुरू करनी होगी।
Honorable Madam Speaker, how do you think online classes are beneficial to students?
The online classes are beneficial to students. Initially, students found online classes very difficult. As time passed, students became self-relevant and techno-savvy. They got the comfort of home while attending the classes. They are learning under the controlled conditions, and the most important thing, they are safe enough in this pandemic situation.
Those who agree to say aye, those who disagree to say no.
Aye. Aye.
Aye. Aye.
Aye.
Aye.
Aye.
Aye. Aye.
Aye.
Aye.
Next.
Online classes have been proved an essential and effective tool for education.
I disagree with what you just said now. In traditional classrooms, teacher can give students immediate face-to-face feedback. Students who are experiencing problems in curriculum can resolve them quickly and directly in the lectures or during the dedicated office hours.
Honorable Madam Speaker, I too disagree that online classes have been proved an essential tool for education. Personalized feedback has a positive impact on students as it makes the learning process easier, richer, and more significant, all the while raising the motivation levels of the students. E-learning, on the other hand, still tends to struggle with the students' feedback.
Honorable Madam Principal, I think looking at the situation around and considering health as a priority, online classes are a boon for young generation.
Honorable Madam Speaker, no. The online classes affect the social life of the student. They make participating students undergo contemplation, remoteness, and a lack of interaction. As a result, many of the students and teachers who inevitably spend much of their time online. It may lead to the signs of social isolation due to lack of human communication in their lives. Social isolation coupled with lack of communication often leads to several mental health issues such as heightened stress, anxiety and negative thoughts.
Honorable Madam Speaker, can online teaching provide the same benefits as face-to-face classes?
Honorable Madam Speaker, online learning is like swimming without water. It cannot be a substitute for face-to-face learning. It is complementary for classroom teaching. In other words, e-learning alone cannot succeed without traditional face-to-face learning because e-learning hasn't achieved the desired aims or results.
Those who agree to say aye, those who disagree to say no.
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 I.
No.
Aye.
I.
No.
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 Next. Yes, Nirmai. You are not audible, Nirmai. You are not audible. Check the speakers.
Yes, ma'am, now. Yes, ma'am, now.
Yes, yes.
माननीय महोदया, इयत्ता, ma'am,
Yes, child, go ahead. You are audible.
इयत्ता 8वी ते 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांची शाळा सुरू केली आहे. पण इयत्ता 1ली ते 7वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांची शाळा सुरू करावी की नाही या विषयावर स्थगिती का देण्यात आली?
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदया, कारण लहान विद्यार्थी स्वतःची काळजी घ्यावी इतके सुज्ञ नाहीत. तसेच त्यांच्या वयाचा व नाजूक शरीराचा विचार करता त्यांची शाळा सुरू करावी की नाही या मुद्द्याला स्थगिती देण्यात आली आहे. कोरोना या आजारावर आणखी लसीची निर्मिती झाली नाही. तसेच जरी लसीची निर्मिती झाली तर त्याचे मानवी शरीरावर होणारे परिणाम यांचा विचार करता प्राथमिक विद्यार्थ्यांच्या शाळा सुरू करण्याच्या निर्णयास स्थगिती देण्यात आली आहे.
Is Kshitij Maitre here? Ojal, you continue. Ojal. Kshitij dialogue. Can you?
यस मैम. कक्षा की शुरुआत ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से छात्रों का सृजन क्षमता कम होती जा रही है.
Okay, enough. Question is enough. Thank you, Ojal. Thank you very much.
महोदय, कक्षा की शुरुआत दृश्य श्राव्य माध्यम से ही होती है. छात्र अध्यापन जरूर करते हैं, लेकिन वे यह नहीं समझ पाते शक्ति स्मरण और नया कुछ निर्माण करने की शक्ति को खो रहे हैं.
Okay, next.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, ऑनलाईन शिक्षण हे पूर्णपणे तंत्रज्ञान व तांत्रिक बाबींवर आधारलेले आहे.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदया, ऑनलाईन शिक्षण हे पूर्णपणे तंत्रज्ञान व तांत्रिक बाबींवर आधारलेले आहे. तंत्रज्ञान व तांत्रिक बाबींची माहिती व कौशल्य प्राप्त शिक्षक, पाल्य व पालक ही या पद्धतीच्या शिक्षणाची प्राथमिक गरज आहे, जे सहज शक्य नाही, सर्वत्र उपलब्ध नाही, तसेच वेळ, पैसा व इतर बाबींच्या उपलब्धतेवर अवलंबून आहे. म्हणूनच खूप कमी विद्यार्थी अशा प्रकारचे शिक्षण घेऊ शकतात.
माननीय महोदय, ऑनलाईन शिक्षणामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये बेशिस्त, बेजबाबदारपणा, अप्रामाणिकपणा वाढण्याची व शिक्षणाचे गांभीर्य कमी होण्याची भीती असते. ऑनलाईन शिक्षण म्हणजे स्वयंशिस्त व स्व-अध्ययन यावर आधारित शिक्षण होय. फार कमी विद्यार्थी अशा प्रकारे शिक्षण आत्मसात करू शकतात. या उलट चंचल शिक्षणाकडे कमी कल असणारी विशेष मुले ज्यांना वैयक्तिक मार्गदर्शनाची आवश्यकता आहे, अशा विद्यार्थ्यांना ऑनलाईन शिक्षणामुळे ते लाभ मिळू शकत नाही. म्हणून विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये बेशिस्त, अप्रामाणिकपणा, बेजबाबदारपणा वाढण्याची व शिक्षणाचे कमी गांभीर्य होण्याची भीती वाढत आहे.
Okay, Ranveer, next. Twisha, it is your turn. Are you there, Twisha?
It is Pranav's turn now.
Okay. Go ahead, Pranav.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, या उलट चंचल शिक्षणाकडे कमी कल असणारी व विशेष मुले ज्यांना वैयक्तिक मार्गदर्शनाची आवश्यकता आहे, अशा विद्यार्थ्यांना ऑनलाईन शिक्षणामुळे ते लाभू शकत नाही. म्हणून विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये बेशिस्त, अप्रामाणिकपणा, बेजबाबदारपणा वाढण्याची व शिक्षणाचे गांभीर्य कमी होण्याची भीती वाढत आहे.
Honorable Madam Speaker, online classes are limited to a few subjects. They tend to be more suitable for social science and humanities rather than scientific fields such as medical science and engineering, which require a certain degree of hands-on practical experience. No amounts of online lectures can substitute an enterprise for a medical student or real-life industrial training for a budding engineer. But it is an advanced and innovative technique of teaching learning process. We must appreciate it.
Krishnakant. Start your lines, Krishnakant. Shivika, take charge of Krishnakant's lines. Shivika, are you there? Yes, Tanishka, move ahead. Tanishka, take charge. Tanishka, take charge.
Yes, ma'am. Honorable Madam Speaker, keeping in mind the practical of the higher secondary students, we can think of calling them to the school only for the science practical, which is not possible in the online classes. But the safety measures should be documented as strict guidelines to be followed. Apart from this, regular physical schools seem to be next to impossible in near future, as now this disease has become airborne.
Honorable Madam Speaker, currently out of 94 lakhs 30,973 active cases worldwide, India has 1 crore 54 lakhs 42,841 active cases. With this kind of unsafe environment, we should first think about the safety of the upcoming generation, as they will form the future of our country. A delay in education by 1 year is much affordable when getting their lives into danger.
Those leaders in favor of the bill will raise their right hand. Result of the division: the number of votes for the bill is 22 out of 44. The number of votes against the bill is 22-44. Minister of Education, please.
We must appreciate the efforts of teachers in conducting online classes. Teachers are doing all they can to prove to be essential in the fight against COVID-19. I take this opportunity to acknowledge the measures and efforts put in by the teachers in conducting online classes during this uncertainty. I appreciate their struggle to upgrade their technical knowledge to keep the process of learning going. Based on the elaborate and holistic discussion by the House Speaker, ma'am, I request the House to pass.
Secretary General, please read the bill.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Classroom environment is a free space for children to interact with all aspects that provide collaborative learning. It enhances students' critical thinking skills. Teaching in a classroom allows the students the opportunity to engage in live discussions in which they are forced to use their critical thinking skills to formulate opinions or arguments. Inside a classroom, students experience social interactions with peers and establish rapidly with teachers. Helping children develop socially is an important aspect of the relay of their academic education. In a live classroom, students are being prepared to do schoolwork. His social, mental, and physical development needs to be enhanced, which is possible only in the live classroom, only in the physical classroom. Hence, with all the precautionary measures, opening of physical classrooms may prove to be fruitful for the higher grade with the consent of parents. Thank you, members.
Now the House is adjourned.
Excuse me, sir. Please tell us, was the bill passed in the House?
Arav, repeat your lines.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, sir. Please tell us, was the bill passed in the House?
Anvi Gowde. Shivika, take over.
I'm there.
Okay, Anvi, carry on. Anvi, you're muted.
Excuse me, sir. Please tell us, was the bill passed in the House? The bill is still in the process. Please tell us when the schools will reopen. The guidelines will be issued by the schools and the opinions of the parents will be taken into consideration. Parents will have to give a consent to send their boys to school. What about cities like Pune, Mumbai? Will the schools remain closed? Look into the matter and let you know.
I now call upon my colleague Ruchita to propose the vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm audible.
Rujuta, carry on. Rujuta, you are audible. Rujuta.
Yes, ma'am. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. Yes, ma'am. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more express to gratitude for. On behalf of all, a theme. It is a great privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us. We extend our sincere thanks to the principal, Mr. Devendra Kumar, headmistress, Mrs. Neeta Grover, our coordinator, Mrs. Ritu Saxena. An event like this cannot take place overnight. The wheel towards culmination starts rolling weeks ago. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a wonderful group of teachers. Last but not the least, we thank all the parents present here. Our encouragement always helps us to put our best foot forward to showcase our talents. Thank you all once again.